Warm, Joe?
Yeah, I'm pretty good.
What are you doing right now?
You scared me.
Not me, I'm just making a video of it.
Oh.
Video what?
The fire.
Oh. Don't look at me like that.
I'll look at you however I want, damn it.
Chad punched me in the face.
Whoa now. And you gotta be that serious. Oops. Damn, that's hot.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think you stoked it pretty good. Talk about lighting a fire in her ass.
Come on, baby.
I'm on fire. I've been down in a burning ring of fire. What's the matter? No, it can't be that bad. You might want to get that looked at.
Still feel it moving.
Whoa. Whoa. You might want to be concerned.
Let's hope it does.
I don't know.
She said something crawled up his boot.